Hello, welcome to Mobile World Congress Hitachi 2015. We have brought to Mobile World Congress this year our fully virtualized EPC solution suite, which we are calling virtualized mobile core. It has got a whole suite of products, including the MME, SGSN, small cell gateway, a virtualized element management system, and some additional enhanced MME features called the MME XT3, which is basically a combination VNF which brings together the MME, the SGSN, and the S gateway to give operators an ability to actually optimize the kind of interfaces that they have to provision on the network and provide consolidation of the control plane. Hitachi's been very successful in taking basically custom-built hardware functions which were actually acquired from Nortel in 2009 and actually completely virtualize this in a very innovative fashion by actually decomposing the complete function into individually scalable VNFs. For instance, in our infrastructure, what we have got is basically a single IP interface to the network, and we have a resource manager, a steering VM, and a ONM VM, basically, which manages the resources that are available. The individual functions like signaling, subscriber VM, subscriber information, and user profiles are all basically scalable independently based upon network need. And what this allows you to do is to scale, the functions based upon how the network is actually being challenged to provide the services. We also have the unique ability to actually introduce new functions. For instance, if you had to actually introduce an interworking function to a machine type communication, it can be actually done as a VNF and very quickly introduced to the market. Also, we can actually integrate a lot of probeless analytics into this particular solution, which allows a VM to be created which takes a look at data that's actually being either aggregated or collected from the network and triggers certain actions to actually scale network functions and actually orchestrate the resources the way they are needed without actually burdening the operators by asking them to actually deploy new hardware and also new resources in a very inefficient manner. One of the things that we have is basically an ability to integrate analytics into our virtual MME, virtual EPC solution, and that is actually running in the video up in the demo up on the screen here, where as the subscriber traffic ramps and it passes a certain threshold, a new VM is actually spawned to actually create additional resources available on the network to cater to subscriber growth. And the unique part of all this stuff is it can be actually moved and it can be scaled. It can scale in, scale out. You can scale up, scale down the resources as the demands on the network come to bear.